Alright, my name is Jason. Welcome to CatchFishNotFeelingz. We're out here at the LA break wall again. I'm out here with my buddy Brandon. He hasn't been out in like months. He's kind of rusty, but it's a really nice day out. You can see it's really flat. We're just gonna be going for like calicos and sheepheads. If we get lucky, maybe we'll see like a white sea bass or something. But yeah, it looks really nice out. Water's warming up. It's almost like 70 degrees out here. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. It's not windy at all. We'll hop in the water and let's see what we can catch. See you guys in the water. Alright, so we're in the water, and of course we can't start our dive without a couple of L's. Here, safety is on, and I blew my chance of getting that sheephead. And this one is gonna be another sheephead miss. I think at this time, this gun was fairly new to me, and I was kind of getting it dialed in, so I wasn't too familiar with it. But here I kind of wish I laid all the way to the bottom and was more leveled with the fish, and that way I would have had a better shot or a better chance of shooting it. But you know, this shit happens. But besides the miss, my buddy and I were able to land fish still. I got a nice calico bass here at the bottom. And our dive actually got cut short. We only were diving for about 30-40 minutes, and this current came out of nowhere and we were getting swept away from our boat. So we figured we're just gonna swim back to our boat, do a little more dives, and call it, you know. It was better safe than sorry, and we didn't feel too safe diving in those conditions. Other than that, it was a pretty nice day. The water was pretty clear, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. And remember, catch fish, not feelings.
Like that current came out of nowhere.
That swim sucked.
Yeah.
Glad we noticed it earlier.
Yeah. It got warm though, but oh man.
Holy shit.
It's crazy because it doesn't look bad on the surface, but like just swimming in this. I wonder how those guys are gonna do.
I know. Oh, dude, that's ripping.
Yeah, that's like one benefit of the carbon fiber fins.
Huh?
That's one benefit of the carbon fiber fins.
I know. I was like thinking that the whole way. I was like, damn, I wish I had Jason's fin. Dude, the bodies are going away.
I know.
I don't know. What do you think? It's gonna be kind of hard to.
Yeah. I mean, we could try just dropping around the boat, you know, and like when we go up, we just hold on to the boat and just rest.
Yeah, just do a breathe up here.
Yeah, but I'm down to spend like maybe 5 or 10 minutes just resting.
Yeah,
A
I
long
need to
swim.
chill. I need to chill after that.
Yeah. I saw a few big sheepheads, but I couldn't get close. I missed one, and then the other two I couldn't get close. They just swam away.
Yeah, me
The
too.
rocks, yeah.
It's like they knew they had a gun pointed at it.
Yeah. I guess it's because a lot of people spearfish here too, I guess.
I saw a huge female.
Oh, yeah. I noticed a lot of the calicos are all at the bottom.
Yeah, I saw one small one.
There's a lot of big sand bass.
Yeah, there's a lot of fish out. The more I look at you calicos, the nicer it seems.
It's pretty big.
It's a good size. Like,
yeah. This was pretty good too. This guy came out to 19 inches and 17.